This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable notifications on the Samsung Internet web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Samsung Internet web browser opened up now. To enable or disable notifications, you want to open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right-hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the Settings page, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go down to where it says Sites, click on Sites. Then on the center pane, you want to go to where it says Site Permissions, click on Site Permissions. Then you want to scroll down a little ways. Right down here is Notifications, click on Notifications. It says sites usually send notifications to let you know about breaking news or chat messages. It says when you visit websites, by default, the top one is probably toggled on, as you see mine is. Sites can ask to send notifications. To disable it, you would toggle on the bottom one here. Don't allow sites to send notifications. That is how to enable or disable notifications on the Samsung Internet web browser. Thanks for watching.